Energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners in Sanford, especially as utility costs continue to fluctuate and homeowners look for ways to create more comfortable living environments. While insulation, HVAC systems, and roofing often receive significant attention, windows play an equally important role in a home's overall energy performance. Older windows can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor temperatures to influence indoor comfort, making heating and cooling systems work harder than necessary. Modern replacement windows are designed to address these issues, helping homeowners improve energy efficiency, reduce utility expenses, and enjoy a more comfortable home throughout the year. Reducing air leaks and drafts. One of the most common problems with older windows is air leakage. Over time, window frames can warp, seals can deteriorate, and gaps may develop around the window structure. These issues allow outside air to enter the home while letting conditioned air escape. Replacement windows are manufactured with advanced sealing technologies that help create a tighter barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. High-quality weather stripping and precision-engineered frames minimize drafts and improve insulation. For homeowners in Sanford, reducing air leakage can make a noticeable difference in maintaining consistent indoor temperatures while decreasing the workload on heating and cooling systems. Improving insulation performance. Modern replacement windows are designed to provide significantly better insulation than older window models. Many feature double-pane or triple-pane glass systems that create insulating air spaces between the panes. These layers help slow heat transfer, making it more difficult for outdoor temperatures to affect indoor comfort. During warmer months, replacement windows help reduce heat entering the home. During cooler periods, they help retain indoor warmth. The result is a more stable indoor environment that requires less energy to maintain comfortable temperatures throughout the year. Taking advantage of low-E glass technology. One of the most effective energy-saving features available in modern replacement windows is low emissivity, low-E glass. This specialized coating is designed to reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through the window. Low-E glass helps reduce unwanted solar heat gain during sunny days while limiting heat loss during cooler conditions. Homeowners can enjoy bright, naturally lit rooms without sacrificing energy performance. This technology plays a major role in helping replacement windows achieve superior efficiency compared to older single-pane or outdated double-pane units. Lowering heating and cooling costs. When windows perform efficiently, heating and cooling systems do not need to work as hard to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. This improved performance often translates into reduced energy consumption. Although savings vary depending on the home's size, window condition, and overall efficiency, many homeowners find that replacement windows contribute to lower monthly utility bills over time. By reducing energy waste, replacement windows can provide ongoing financial benefits while helping homeowners create a more environmentally conscious household. Enhancing indoor comfort. Energy efficiency is about more than utility savings. It directly affects everyday comfort. Drafts, hot spots, cold spots, and temperature fluctuations can make certain rooms less enjoyable to use. Modern replacement windows help eliminate many of these common issues by providing improved insulation and tighter seals. Rooms that were once difficult to keep comfortable may become more enjoyable throughout the year. Homeowners often notice that indoor temperatures remain more consistent from room to room, creating a more comfortable living environment for the entire family. Reducing UV exposure. Sunlight can contribute to fading furniture, flooring, curtains, and other interior furnishings over time. Many energy-efficient replacement windows include coatings that help block a significant portion of harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. This added protection helps preserve the appearance of interior finishes while still allowing natural light to brighten the home. Protecting furnishings from sun damage can contribute to long-term savings by extending the life of valuable interior investments. Supporting sustainable living. Many homeowners are becoming increasingly interested in reducing their environmental impact. Energy-efficient replacement windows support sustainability goals by lowering overall energy consumption. When heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently, less energy is required to maintain indoor comfort. This can help reduce a household's carbon footprint while supporting broader energy conservation efforts. For environmentally conscious homeowners, replacement windows can be an important component of a greener home improvement strategy. Increasing home value energy-efficient upgrades are often attractive to prospective homebuyers. Replacement windows not only improve performance but also enhance curb appeal and reduce future maintenance concerns. Many buyers appreciate features that can contribute to lower utility costs and greater comfort. As a result, replacement windows may increase a home's overall marketability and perceived value. A smart investment for Sanford homeowners. Replacement windows offer numerous energy efficiency benefits that extend far beyond appearance alone. By reducing drafts, improving insulation, lowering energy consumption, and enhancing indoor comfort, they can have a meaningful impact on everyday living. For homeowners in Sanford, investing in modern replacement windows is a practical way to improve home performance while enjoying long-term comfort and value. With professional installation and high-quality products, replacement windows can provide lasting energy savings and create a more comfortable home for years to come.